Hi everyone, I'm Jorge. Welcome to my channel. I'm doing an investment challenge. I'm trying to go from 150 to 1000 in 2021. I'll be adding $50 every month just to help me get there. And I'm using TD Ameritrade because Robinhood and Webull, on those platforms, there's some stocks that I cannot trade in there. So I'm using TD Ameritrade. So they have two mobile apps, Think or Swim right here on the left. It's for more advanced traders. For beginners, I recommend the TD Ameritrade app right here on the right. So if you can see right now, I already purchased 25, you can see right here, 25 shares of APXTW. And so far, I scroll down right here, my profit for the whole time, I've had it for a week or so, I've made $22 on those $100. So that's a return of 5.9%. No, actually 22.31%, I'm sorry. So let's say you wanted to trade something, right? So if you go down here on the bottom left, there's a search icon. So you just put APXT, and I'm doing warrants with a W right there. So it's the same company, but these are warrants instead of the stock. Right there. So you get to the actual overview. There's also charts. If you can see, about last year, September, October, it was trading between like $150, $2. And then right about November, December, it jumped to $3. And then it hasn't gone below in the last month. So I would recommend, if you wanted to buy it, anywhere from like anywhere 425 to 375. I expect it to go to about $9, maybe somewhere in February, because they're finalizing the merger. So if you wanted to get in at your own risk, I would recommend anywhere from 425 to 375. So let's go. Let's say you want to trade it, right? So you go to search. We went to APXTW, and you get the overview, you get the charts, and then at the top right hand corner, there's trade. So you hit that. So let's say you wanted to buy 20 shares, let's say. So you put 20 shares, and the action, it's buy, because you want to buy. And I would suggest doing either a limit or a market order. I don't know if I went in a previous video what that meant. So a limit order means that, let's say you wanted to buy it at 425, and then the expiration will put good until cancel. So that means that you would buy 20 shares only if the price went all the way down to 425 or lower. The price right now is $4.98. So the total cost of that trade would be $85. If you see, I only have $50, so I wouldn't be able to do that. So I will have to like lower my amount. So let's just put $5 just for the example. So now if you see the estimated total, it's $21.25, and I have $50.87 available to trade. But I'm not gonna buy any more right now. I just want to keep that money in there. So let me show you real quick. So right here, I have both of them. So it's the same company, APXT and APXTW. But see how APXT is 1740? That's because those are the actual shares of the company. APXTW, those are warrants. So that means that it's just a contract. You're purchasing a contract to buy the stock at, I believe, 1150. So let's say the share just kept going up from $17 to $30. So if you bought it, let's say at $5, you would have a contract to buy the shares at $11.50, but you already paid $5, so that will make it $16.50 your total cost. So like I said, it's just an easy, well, not easy, but for people that don't have enough money to get into those kind of plays. Like I said, it's really risky, just because with warrants, if something happens with a merger, if they don't go through, the warrants become worthless. You lose all your money. And if you buy the actual shares, APXT, they give you $10 back per share. So let's say you bought one share at 17.40 and the merger didn't happen, it falls through, then you're gonna get $10 back. So you lost 7.40. So I mean, I have done it with other companies like that, and most of the time it might get delayed because they don't get enough votes. But so far I've been like in 4, and so far all of them have gone through. So the expected price for APXTW, I believe by mid-February, late February, once the merger happens, it's about $9 and 9 to 13, probably 8 on the low end. So I'm planning to sell around that price, or maybe like a few days before the merger. Right now they said the merger is in February, but they haven't said what day in February. So I would look at whatever day they're gonna merge, and from my experience, right before the merger or right after, the stock and the warrants go down maybe 20%. It just depends on the company. Some of them just take off, but I wouldn't risk it. I'm just trying to build a little bit more profit to try to get to $1,000. So that's my game plan for this. Hopefully you can follow my journey and see what happens. If anybody wants to join, you do it at your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just trying to show some family and friends what I've been doing, and hopefully help them make a little bit of money. But like I said, it's your money. Don't invest more than you want to lose. And if you just want to watch, that would be great too. Just it's a way of learning how to trade stocks. Because remember, if you have your money in the bank, it's just sitting there earning 0.01%. So if you can get 20% out of it, which I already have right now, more the better, right? So thank you for watching, and I'll just try to make these videos short and to the point. Like and subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and let's make $1,000.